this video, I'll be showing how to check if the Jumpstart Package 3 profile package match the framing system in the Takeoff program. So what I like to do is I like to have three things open. So mainly for the Revit, I like to have the Takeoff browser open with the mullions listed alphabetically like this, because that's how they come out, or that's how they'll be listed in the Takeoff program. So I'll put that on the side, and then I like to have the Jumpstart Package 3 profile drawings and have that open, and then the Takeoff program. And in the Takeoff program, the way to check is by clicking on this feature, edit the framing system, and then here it'll list out all the aliases that's included in the model, and then the part numbers that's included in the profile package. So what you want to check is to make sure that all these aliases are listed here in the Takeoff program. Make sure that they're all listed there, and then make sure that the parts in the Jumpstart Package 3 matches with those aliases. With this, so let's say this head opening in Viso, where this already clicked on, and it has these part numbers. So basically, make sure that all these part numbers here matches with the part numbers that's listed here. So let's say WCA31X3 is listed, and it is, there you go. And then W753608, which is this right here, it's listed. And make sure you also note that there's 2 per unit, and they're 2 inches long. So 2 per unit means that there's one on each side of the unit. So in this case, it's only used on one side. We'll only use it listed once, or no, listed twice. Sorry, since there's 2 per unit, so listed twice. And then here the fix tab or column right now 2, and that's for the length, because if you leave it at 0, the program will think that that part is present all throughout, or basically the extrusion will be the same length as the unit. So with 2, and this tells the program that it's 2 inches. And make sure to list it again, which they did here, 2. And then you just go down this list and make sure that they're all in this list, in this detail, and then you just check it for every single one of these aliases. Make sure that and make sure that they're all there.